Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the brightness setting in YapYap. Let's begin by opening the options menu. Here, make sure you are in the display section, and right next to it is the brightness setting. As you can see, I currently have it set to 0, but I can increase it up to 100. Of course, this may not be... one thing. This will not take effect until I think I hit close, yes. So, you may need to be aware of that. But you can set it to whatever value you like and hit close to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.